Good morning, children. After the festival season, let us come back to our work also. Some questions from the story, The Undeserved Reward, were left. Let us discuss all those questions today so that you can write. Open your book on page 69. See, we have done it up to HOTS. Come to life skills now. Every deserving action should be rewarded. Likewise, every reward should be well deserved. Does this statement always hold true in real life? I hope you understand the meaning of the statement. It means that if you do something good, you should get reward. And at the same time, when you get reward, that should be the result of something good done on your part. Is it true every time? It's not true. You can give some examples from your real life experience. For example, you must have noticed that sometimes you study very well, but you do not get the expected marks. And sometimes you do not study very seriously, but marks are good. So, this happens. Write an answer of around 3-4 sentences. B part. One should listen to all but take one's own decision, guided by both intellectual and conscience. Discuss. Yes, one should listen to all. Like there is a Hindi proverb also, Suno sabki, karo man ki. It means that we should listen to the advice that somebody has to offer, but before taking the final decision, we should not be influenced by anyone. Rather, we should think with our own mind, with our own intellect, and we should take the best decision. You will give example from the story, like when the author was confused whether he should go to district officer or not. He discussed the problem with his friends have different things to tell him, but he took the final decision according to his own thinking, and that was the right decision, that he should go there. Write an answer of 4-5 sentences here again. Values. I could not gather the courage to tell them that I had done nothing. Should the narrator have accepted the credit for saving Baldev's son from imprisonment, or should he have admitted openly that he had done nothing in the matter? Discuss. This is for discussion, but you will write it. Here, no answer will be wrong. You can write, I agree with whatever the narrator did, that he accepted the reward. It's okay. Because at this stage he could not have told them that he had not done anything. Or you can write this also, that the narrator should be honest. He should not let himself down in his own eyes. Nobody knew it, but he himself has fallen down in his own eyes. He will not be able to respect himself in future, because he has been a cowardly person. He has been a liar. He could not tell openly that he had not done anything. So I think that he should not have accepted the reward, and he should have told them that he had forgotten to talk. So you can write any answer. B part. Where the teacher's cane failed, my sympathetic approach yielded results. It was not uncommon to see children being subjected to corporal punishment as physical punishment earlier. Do you think it was relevant in those times? Do you think capital punishment is justified? So here I want you to write a full-fledged article on this, or debate, speech, debate or article, whatever you want to write. Is corporal punishment justified? You will write, physical punishment should be given to children or should not be given. Give 2 or 3 arguments in the favor of whatever you are saying. Writing skills. Baldev is extremely rejoiced at the help rendered by his old friend. On behalf of Baldev, prepare a thanksgiving card for the narrator, thanking him for his help. Narrator helped Baldev twice, but you have to prepare this card for the help that Baldev thought narrator gave him. in the connection of his son. So this is a card. You can write simple thanks note, or you can show your creativity in making this card. You have to make this. Last question. You are the narrator. You are overcome with the feeling of guilt after Baldev and his son leave your house. Write a letter to Baldev expressing your guilt over accepting the honor that you did not deserve. You very well know the format of informal letter. Follow that format. Narrator is writing this letter to Baldev, and he is openly telling that he has not done anything. He has not talked to district officer, so he cannot accept that reward. Okay, so all these questions you have to do in your notebook. That's all. Thank you.